In this session, I'm going to explain cloud security in cloud computing subjects. So, Unit 5, so already we discussed about 4 units, basics, virtualization, and then architecture, and then programming model. And then last ones we want to discuss about cloud security, how the cloud provider provide the security to the cloud consumers. Okay, so in that these are topics we are going to discuss in the cloud security. So, threat agents, cloud security threats, cloud security defense strategy, IAM, Identity Access Management, security standards, distributed intrusion, anomaly detections, data and software protection techniques, reputation guided protection of data centers, use of cloud for HPC and HTC and ubiquitous computing. So these are the topics I want to discuss in the 5th unit. In that I want to explain about distributed intrusion and anomaly detections. Okay. So that means a system called intrusion detection systems observes network traffic for malicious transaction and sends immediate alert when it is observed. Okay, that is nothing but as a system used to identify any malicious transaction or any other problem occurred in the network. It immediately sends the alert message to the administrator. That is called a distributed intrusion anomaly detection process. It is a software that checks a network or system for malicious activities or policy violations. Okay, if there is any problem occurred in the network, malicious activities or any rules and regulations violations, so this will be immediately alert given to the administrator. So each illegal activity or violations is often recorded either centrally using a SIEM system or notified to an administration. So IDS monitors a network or a system for a malicious activity and protects a network from unauthorized access from users, including perhaps insiders. Okay. So that means if there is any unwanted activities occur in the networks, occur in the systems, it immediately send the alert message to the administrator. Okay. So how does IDS work? IDS is based on there is a intrusion detection system. So it monitors the network's topics in the computer networks and detects any suspicious activity. If it is, it analyzes the data flowing through the network to look for patterns and signs of abnormal behavior. Any abnormal behaviors occurred in the network. So like that, it identify or analyze. The ideas compass the network activity to set off predefined rules and patterns to identify any activity that might indicate an attack or intrusions. So any problems occurred based on the rules and regulations, it identify and given to the alert messages. If the IDS detects something that matches one of these rules or patterns, it sends an alert to the system administrator. Okay, the system administrator can then investigate the alert and take action to prevent any damage or further intrusions. So that means so commonly the IDS system is used to detect the suspicious activity. That means it detect the activity and it match the rules and regulations. If there is any deviations or any problems occurred means it immediately sent to the alert message to the administrator. After the administrator can investigate the alert and perform the preventive actions. Okay, that is IDS concepts. Okay, so here IDS are classified into 5 types. In that first type, network intrusion detection systems. So network intrusion detection system is nothing but one of the software. It is installed one network point. Okay, so network intrusion detection systems are set up at a planned point within the network to examine traffic from all devices on the networks. Okay, in the network it is installed in the any one place, any one point. Okay, so it identify the any traffics or any malicious attacks or any problems means it immediately send the alert message to the administrator. That's the purpose of NIDS. Okay, it performs an observation of passing traffic on the entire subnet and matches the traffic that is passed on the subnets to the collection of known attacks. So once an attack is identified or abnormal behavior is observed, the alert can be sent to the administrator. Okay, so NIDS is nothing but it is installed to one network point. So it observe the any abnormal behavior in the networks. If it identified any abnormal behavior or any attack, it immediately send the alert message to the administrator. Okay. An example of NIDS is installing it in the subnet where firewalls are located in order to see if someone is trying to crack the firewall. Like that, it identify. Okay, so this is NIDS. Okay, this is a model of NADS is installed in the one network point, the internet and then firewall and then NADS management and then trusted networks. If there is any, these are the trusted networks. If any unwanted activity or any abnormal behavior is occurring in the networks, it immediately send the message to the NADS management and the administrator. So based on the administrator can take the preventive actions. That is NADS concepts. Okay. So another one, post intrusion detection system is nothing but run on independent host or device on the networks. Okay. So it monitors the incoming and outgoing packets from the device only and will alert administrative suspicious or malicious activities detected. So the main aim of this HIDS is to monitor incoming and outgoing packets in the networks. If there is any malicious activity or any virus file, any suspicious files, packet is incoming, coming to the networks or outgoing to the in the networks in the any one place. So it immediately send the alert message to the administrator. Okay, it takes the snapshot of the existing file system files and compares it with the previous snapshot. So any suspicious activities, it takes snapshot and compare with the previous, and it identify the particular packets have any suspicious activities or malicious activities. If the analytical system files are edited and deleted, or an alert sent to the administrator to investigate. If there is any packet is deleted or edited, means alert message sent to the HIDS. That's a post intrusion reduction systems. For example, if HIDS users can be seen on mission critical machines which are not expected to change their layout. That's an example of HIDS. Okay. So another one, so protocol based intrusion reduction systems. So in that protocol based intrusion reductions, so protocol based intrusion reduction systems compass system or agent that consistently insert sites based on the